most travelers, I love to cook. But my newest adventure has taken me somewhere where energy is a commodity. So I'm going to start a new channel. It's called Wattage. Today's episode of Wattage is cooking quiche on a boat. So we're going to measure using this kilowatt device to see how many watts we use. And I'm going to be sauteing some spinach, mushroom, and garlic over here before I bake my quiche in my tiny toaster oven. Alright, so the kilowatt meter is set at 0. We're going to plug in our burner. It says that it is drawing 755 watts. It's set at 0 right now, the kilowatt hours. So we'll just watch that. That's getting pretty tan looking. I'd say that's about done. And it looks like we're at 0.2 kilowatts. I'm going to unplug the burner and plug the oven in. Preheated, and it looks like the kilowatt meter is at 0.24 kilowatt hours. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my quiche in, and we'll keep an eye on that meter. Alright, well it looks like my quiche is getting about done. Let's see. Yep. Quiche is done. And if we look over here at this wattage meter, it says that we drew 0.44 kilowatt hours. So that means that if we were to run our wind turbine, which we haven't yet put up, but once it is up, if we have 20-mile-an-hour winds, we would have to gather energy for just over 2 hours to be able to cook our quiche here. Which isn't too bad. Well, my quiche turned out delicious, and I ended up adding some garlic toast to it. So when it was all said and done, it ended up taking an even 0.5 kilowatt hours. So just a little bit more over the 2-hour estimate for 20-mile-an-hour winds with our one 400-watt wind turbine.
Hello. Welcome to Wattage Cooking.
My hair's ugly.
Hello.
Wait, you can't say buckle. It's the end.
Well, it's been a fine episode of Wattage. This and this are devices that we will use on our following episodes. This measures AC wattage. This measures DC wattage. This I can put directly on the battery in line with the power inverter in between. That way when we're actually off the grid and cooking on a battery, we know our actual battery consumption and the inefficiency of the power inverter, and it'll help us decide if we should try to cook on a 12-volt system or if we'd stick with the 120-volt appliances we have now. But it'll also help us to get the exact data get a good shot of this guy. Yeah, plugs right in line with the battery and the power inverter. Handles up to 100 amps. So 100 amps, 12 volts. It'll do 1200 watts.
Yep.
And it records the hours too.
It'll be more accurate that way. That way we're not forgetting the power that the inverter draws out.
Yeah, you could negate using this if you were able to generate 120 volts. Say if you had a 120 volt turbine, but nobody has those. Everything's 12 volts off the grid, so. Unless you had a generator. Don't burn gas, it's bad. Ugh.
We did it on our first episode.
What?
It is a voyage.
It's a voyage off the grid, so.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
We'll get there.
Well, we hope you enjoyed watching this first episode of What Did You Eat? We'll see you next time. We have tons of plans in the works.
You betcha.